The Yaufey 150 Pints Dehumidifier is powerful enough to dry out very large spaces such as basements or open floor plans while keeping humidity in a comfortable range. Its Energy Star certification and efficient rotary compressor mean it pulls a lot of moisture while using noticeably less electricity than many comparable units. You can choose between an internal tank with a clear level window or continuous drainage with the included hose, and it even works with a standard garden hose for long-term setups. The swinging louvers and dual fan speeds help spread dry air more evenly, which reduces damp spots on floors, walls, and furniture. An advanced control chip with accurate sensors maintains target humidity, offers useful extras like auto restart, timer, and child lock, and makes the digital display easy to read at a glance. Build quality feels solid. Heat exchange components are designed for durability and high performance, and the company backs it with extended coverage and ongoing technical support.